Today we will discuss about the topic enzyme. What are enzymes? Enzymes are the protein which act as biological catalyst. They play a vital role in the function of cells and activities of an organism. They show maximum activity between 45 degrees Celsius and practically inactive at 0 degree, and beyond 65 degree they get denatured. Classification of enzyme. Enzymes are classified into following classes. In that, first one is hydrolysis. For catalysis of hydrolytic reaction, these enzymes are used. Transferase for the transfer of chemical group from one molecule to another. Oxidoreductase catalyze the oxidation reduction reaction. Lysase catalyze the addition of groups to double bonds. Isomerase are responsible for intramolecular rearrangements. Synthetase catalyzes the condensation of two. Now, on the basis of site of action, enzymes are again classified into two classes. Endoenzymes, those enzymes which act only inside the cell, they are known as endoenzyme. These enzymes involved in the synthesis of cell component, food reserve, and bioenergetics. Example of endoenzyme is synthetase and phosphorylase. Exoenzyme, the enzyme that are secreted outside the cell, they are known as exoenzyme. They are normally digestive in their function. That example of exoenzyme is proteases and lipases. Now, the drugs which comes under the topic enzyme, in that first one is diastase. Synonym of diastase is amylase. Biological source, it is one of the amylolytic enzyme present in saliva, that is salivary diastase, ptyalin, and pancreatic diastase or amylopsin. Now let us discuss about the description of diastase. Diastase is yellowish white amorphous powder obtained from infusion of malt and has faint characteristic odor. Soluble in water, forming colloidal solution. Uses as a digestant, used in production of pre-digested starchy food and conversion of starch to fermentable sugar in fermentation and brewing industries. Now, the next drugs which comes under category enzyme is papaya. Let us discuss about papaya. Biological source is, it is the mixture of proteolytic enzyme derived from the latex of unripe fruits of tropical melon tree Carica papaya belonging to family Caricaceae. Now the papain is an enzyme which is obtained from papaya. How the papain enzyme is collected? The processing of papain enzyme includes following steps. First one is latex of fruit collected in aluminum trays. Potassium metabisulfite is added, extraneous matter is cleared out, and the latex is dried in vacuum at 55 to 60 degrees Celsius. Now the description about papain. It is light brown or white colored amorphous powder with typical odor and taste. It shows maximum proteolytic activity between pH 5 to 6. It is soluble in water and glycerin. Uses. It is used in clarification of beverages and as a meat tenderizer in cheese manufacture, as a substitute of rennin. Degumming of silk fabrics in textile industry. In leather industry for dehairing of skin and hide. Medicinally as anti-inflammatory agent. Now the next drugs which comes under enzyme is yeast. Let us discuss about the yeast. Biological source. It consists of unicellular fungal microorganism Saccharomyces cerevisiae belonging to family Saccharomycetaceae. Now discuss about the description. Color, it is white in color. Odor, characteristic odor. Size, unicellular microorganism measuring less than 1.5 micron. Chemical constituent 65 to 85% moisture, nitrogenous compound, protein, glycogen, fat, vitamins and enzyme invertase, diastase, zymase, maltase present in yeast. So all are these the important chemical constituent of yeast. Uses. Manufacture of alcohol, beer, wines and in bread industry as a source of protein. Irradiated yeast has been used as a source of vitamin D.